Hello everyone, welcome to TMS evaluation for Monterey Bay Aquarium. I am Dasun. Today we are going to take a look at two different TMSs and select the better one for Monterey Bay Aquarium. This is the content of today's presentation. Our client, Monterey Bay Aquarium, is a nonprofit aquarium in Monterey, California. Now the website is only supported in English, and since it is located in Monterey, California, there are many visitors speaking other languages, as Spanish and Chinese. Monterey Bay Aquarium is now looking to localize the whole website and attract more visitors. Thus, a need for a mature TMS appeared. There's no localization or translation team in this organization, nor were they going to outsource localization to some LSPs in the market. Therefore, whichever TMS is going to be selected in the future, it must be easy to use, visual, and economical. We have some potential stakeholders. Linguists. They are translators who translate web page content into target languages. PMs. Project managers who assign tasks to linguists, engineers, and track project process. Engineers. Website engineers who take finalized translation and update to the web pages into different languages. QA reviewers who make sure the translation finally is correct and acceptable. Budgeting, budget managers who audit and approve the cost of the project. Designers, they are the one who design the whole website UI, brand, etc. Last, we have legal team, provide guidance on any necessary disclaimers or disclosures that need to be included in the translated website. Now let's take a look at our key business requirements according to different roles. As we mentioned before, customized workflow. This is important to PMs because PMs are the one who will be designing workflows for the project and assign tasks. Easiness to use and learn. This is important to everyone, every stakeholder. Support and training. This is important to translators and engineers because they're the one who are going to use this system in the future, and they need support and training when necessary. Affordability, of course, this is related to our budget team. Security, this is for PM mostly. Visual context, QA team, translators, designers. And last, tools and assets. This is important to our translators. For each KBR, we give a weight on that. From security to easiness to use and learn listed here, and have a weight score from 1 point to 5 point, standing for from the least important to the most important. Security means, are data involved safely stored? How much is it possible for others to access the TMS? Support and training. Does TMS provider offer support and training? Tools and assets. How well is TM and auto QA supported? Customized workflow. How much can workflows be customized? Visual contact. How much the visual contact is visible to translators? Affordability. Of course, is the TMS affordable, pricey? Easiness to use and learn. Is the TMS easy to learn and use for both technical and non-technical staff? Here we have a pilot project for evaluation purpose only. This is a post page selected to evaluate which TMS to use between Phrase and XTM. Phrase and XTM are both popular in the translation market now. The post page selected is the typical content on Monterey Bay Aquarium website, and it is the main type of content to be translated in the future. And the translation will only involve plain text translation process, and no video or picture localization or translation is needed. Here, we can take a look at our final suggestion. Given the weight criteria before, we have different score for each item, each KBR. And thus, we can calculate the final weighted average and get our result. For security, XTM offers additional security features such as two-factor authentication and single sign-on. So XTM wins on this, 5 versus 4. For support and training, XTM again offers additional support through phone support and dedicated support portal. So XTM got 4, Phrase got 3. For tools and assets, both TMSs offer translation memory and automated quality assurance features. That's a tie. Customized workflow. XTM again offers more advanced workflow capabilities, such as custom automation scripts and flexible project configurations. So XTM scored 5, Phrase scored 4. Visual contact. Both TMS offer context review features that allow translators to view translations in their original context. That's a tie. Affordability. This is important because Monterey Bay Aquarium is a nonprofit organization. Phrase offers more affordable pricing plans compared to XTM. Phrase got 5, XTM got 3. Last but not least, easiness to use or learn. Both TMSs are user-friendly and easy to learn, even for non-technical staff. However, Phrase offers a more intuitive user interface and easier onboarding process compared to XTM. So Phrase got 4, XTM got 2. After the scoring process, we can calculate the weighted average. For Phrase, it is 4.25. For XTM, it's a 3.65. So after the evaluation, Phrase will be our final suggestion. Thank you so much for coming.